Hey Stampers, it's Madeline from the WonderlandStamper.com. The illness has gotten me. My voice sounds very different. My voice thankfully did come back, though I lost it for a full day. Today for Stampin' Sunday, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I've had a lot of questions about how I'm storing my Stampin' supplies, so I'm going to show you around the Wonderland craft room and show you quickly what I use for storage. Stay tuned. So here we are in my craft room. I use Stampin' Storage. I love their products. They are very high quality. You get them very fast and they'll last forever. So here I have the ink pad storage that has room for the ink pads, the ink refills, and also the markers. And above that I have the punch storage. I use it for some of the smaller inks, as well as all of my punches that I get. And as you can see, I have all of my Alice in Wonderland figurines up there along with my TARDIS. I'm a Doctor Who fan. I have 2 of these ink pad storages just for when colors retire and things like that. I like to keep the ink pads. So I will have a link down below for all the things that I show you. I am a Stampin' Storage affiliate, so you can click over down below on my affiliate link and get right over to Stampin' Storage and see what they've got to offer. They have lots of different things. This is just the start of them. They have paper storage, anything you can think of. It's a great company, great customer service. I had some issues with shipping and they were able to send me a new one right away. They really are a fabulous company. And again, such high quality product that you don't ever have to worry about that. Let's go to the next thing. Here we have my stamp sets from Stampin' Up. I have them stored in 2 wood crates that I got from Joann's. I do not shelve them here until I am done with crafting with them for the first time. So now what I am doing is I make myself craft with the stamp set before I shelve it. This was a big issue for me, was I love the beauty of the stamps. I would buy them and then I would never get to them. So I will show you in a minute where I store the ones that I have just received, and that will come up in future Stampin' Sundays, and then I shelve them here. And I'm more likely to use them after I break the ice with them. So that's an idea for you too, to think about. I always, if I make myself do a Stampin' Sunday with the stamp set, and I plan ahead when I do my order, so I plan ahead for 2 to 3 months. This is the stamp set I'm going to use this week. This is the stamp set I'm going to use the following week. I do my order based on that. I make sure that I use them for those videos, and then they get shelved here, and then I'm more likely to use those stamp sets for events and things like that. This is where I have my trimmers. This is a drawer set that I got right on Amazon. I'll have the links for everything down below. My affiliate links over to Amazon. There's Alley Cat. I have 3 sets of drawers here. The black ones are all labeled with envelopes, sponges, ribbons, things like that, and we'll go in closer in a second. And then that pink one I have my Big Shot on, and these are just odds and ends. I have Crayola stuff in that yellow one, envelopes in the pink one, more envelopes, and just miscellaneous things that I don't need right away. I keep the things that I need right away on my desk. So in here I just have clear envelopes, all of my ribbons in one drawer. I'm going to have to figure out something else for that. Sponges, just lots of little odds and ends that I'm able to easily get up and get. And as we turn this way, I have both of my printers set up here. I have my inkjet that prints for me, and then I have my brother's Scan and Cut 2, and also my brother label maker. I love the label maker. I use it for so many different things. And again, I'll have all these links down below for you to check out what I use in my craft room. Down here in these white cabinets on the left-hand side, I do my mixed media storage, so like paper succulents, things like that. I have them all stored on the left there. And on the right, I just have my important papers and papers that I need for the inkjet photo paper, things like that. So both of these cabinets and a very large storage cabinet that you'll see, I got at a garage sale, or I don't think it was a garage sale, it was online on Facebook, on Marketplace. And I got all three of them, I think, for $50, I think, $50 or $75, which I thought was fabulous. It was really tough getting them up in my craft room, but well worth the money, so cheap to get all of the storage that I needed. All right, so next we're going to move over to my desk. And I have this awesome cart here that I got at Michael's for only $30. This is perfect for when I'm hosting events. I fill up that top part with everything I need. That way I can sit down with my group, and I don't have to keep getting up and down, which I love. Just having everything right there. You'll see I have a mailing project going on the bottom there, so I have all the stuff I need to mail things out. The middle, I've been putting all of my embossing folders and framelits in. And then again, that top is when I have a project that I need. Here is my desk where all of the magic happens. I have these really cool mini clear filing cabinets, or, clear drawers that I got at Ollie's. They just stack really nicely together. And I have them all labeled. We'll move in close here. The sun is out, which is just gorgeous here. I have them all quickly labeled. That way I could change it if I needed to. I have little notepads, embellishments, scissors, spritzers, Stampin' dimensionals, sequins, doilies, everything that I would need right away. Stampin' glue, glue dots, tear and tape, jewels, blender pens. Let me move this stuff out of the way. Jewels, baggies, baker's twine, just things that I would need to grab. I have my catalogs right there when I need them. I have marker storage right here. That's just very simple for me. I don't have a lot of markers right now. So this was just a really cute cube that I got on Amazon. I'll have that link down below. I have my light, the daylight, and it stores all of the essentials that I need: bone folders, scissors, pens, headphones, chapstick, lotion, everything that you need. And I have lots of cute little characters that are set up. I love making it a happy place where I'm crafting, so I have all little characters: my Hello Kitty, Doc from Back to the Future, me and my boyfriend. Lots of fun goodies that I love, and I have a really nice view outside to a nice stream out there. It is just beautiful out today. I'm so happy that the snow is coming to an end here in central New York. So here is my desk. So again, that's where all the magic happens. Lately, what I've done is I've moved my computer. So my computer used to be where my crafting station was, but I moved it just because I needed a place that was just for crafting and not for the business side of things. And it was the best decision that I ever made, just separating that. I get a lot more done and a lot more accomplished. Next, we're going to move to my big storage cabinet. Hang tight. Okay, so here is my big crafting cabinet. It is always a work in progress. I keep changing things around. This top part is how I store my papers. These are just cardboard storage units that I get. They're like banker boxes. They're in 3 different pieces here. I bought 3 of them separately, and I have all my paper organized on here. What I did was I have like big cardboard pieces that are covered with paper that I label with the name of the paper and what group they're in, and then I have it stored there. So this works the best for me. It's at eye level mostly, and really easy for me to look in quickly and get an inventory of what paper I still need, or as you can see, like that Peekaboo Peach, which paper I really need to use. And then I got these clear bins at Ollie's, I think, too, for like $1 each. That top one is like mixed media, non-Stampin' Up stuff that I got at Dollar Tree that I use for my kids' craft class that I do. I have business supplies underneath that. Then as we move down, This is where the work in progress is happening. I have all these clear bins that are all full of cards, and they're all organized by subject, so thank you, birthday, holiday, things like that. I have my catalogs down there. I'm trying to figure out that section. It's going to get better. Then over here, this is where I place my stamp projects or stamp products that I get that I still need to use in order to get them shelved over on my shelving unit. So let's take a peek what I still have. I just got these. These are hot off the presses. Brushwork Alphabet, Blossoming Basket, Amazing You, and Sheltering Tree. So these two are going to be their celebration ones right now. So I'm going to be showing those very, very soon because celebration is almost over. Don't forget. I can't believe it. Oh, and Bird Banter I still haven't gotten to. I got this awesome Memories and More pack. I can't wait to share that with all of you. The Sweet Soiree Memories and More. I'm so excited. And then this is where the Paper Pumpkins store. I love them, and most of them are used. I just keep the extras and the projects that I make inside the box. That's another project, like a weekend project I'm going to have to deal with. And then as we back out here, I have these really nice clear drawers that I got at Michael's that store all of my designer series papers. So I have one for current, one for retired, and one for the smaller ones. And the other ones just kind of fill up as needed. Okay, I'm going to close these doors and show you what it looks like from the outside. Here's what that cabinet looks like from the outside. It fits perfectly in this really cute shaped room. I just love it. I have two windows that are on ground level here. My kitty loves them. All right, so now we're going to move into where I display my cards. Here are my card walls. This is, I do swaps with demonstrators, and I display them up here for when I have club and events so that everyone can see them. And these closets are too much of a work in progress to show you. Mostly just post office boxes for when I do ship outs of swaps and prizes and things like that. But they're a little messy at the moment. So I have those, and then I have this awesome Disney puzzle that my mom just made for me. It's brand new to the craft room. And then I have another wall of cards, and we just move around to where my stamp pads are stored, my Big Shot. So I love this room. And we're back at my desk. So this is where I do my club events. We have about 8 to 10 ladies that come in, and I have my, I can't think of the word right now, but to make me feel better. We have a table here. It's all nice and inked up from the event that I just did. We have a great time here in the Wonderland stamp room. Last but not least, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I use when I'm on the go, and also still just hanging out in the craft room. My good friend Cells 31, Laura Harding, she is an awesome demonstrator of 31, and she is so nice and does the best job you could ever ask for when doing an online party or just placing an order. She rocks. So if you are interested in 31 and you don't have, they're not demonstrators, I'm consultant, sorry. You don't have a consultant yet, she rocks, and I will have her link down below, and I would definitely suggest to click over on her link and see what they have to offer for us crafters, because it's endless. I buy way too much of her stuff. And also you can get everything personalized, which I love as well. So as you can see, I just got this one. I hosted a party with her, and I got tons of free stuff, which rocked. And this, I got the Wonderland stamper, and I got a blue butterfly. Can anyone guess why I got a blue butterfly? It is Absalom. Absalom, the blue caterpillar, he turns into a blue butterfly, so I thought that was perfect. Anyways, I'll have her link down below, and you can always contact her and see where you can see the catalogs and order from her. I'm only showing you 2 pieces. There is so many things on there for us crafters you will not believe. So her link will be down below. So this is the double duty caddy, and this is what I'm going to be bringing to on stage. I love it. It's got 2 little compartments here with mesh for like scissors and things like that. trying not to move as much. And you can put tons of stuff in this. I fill it up, and I actually fill this to the brim and bring it to my kid events, and it's plenty of room for everything that I need. Again, another piece for on stage is this Carry It All caddy. They're mini, and it is perfect. It fits 50 cards, and I put one card in the front mesh there, and this is how I carry around my swap cards during convention, so that someone can see the card that I have, and then I have room for 50 of those swaps, and I carry around 4 of these. They're super easy, and then you can fit all of these in some of the other bags that they have. So it is awesome. They have so many good things that are really good for us crafters, especially on the go. I would definitely, don't miss it. Check it out down below. The link for Laura. And again, she is a great consultant, so you won't be sorry that you looked over there. She's great. Okay, so I think that is it right now for the Wonderland Stampers Storage 101. I know there's lots more other things that we could talk about for storage, like paper scrap storage, things like that. I will come back to those. I just really wanted to get something up for you all for Stampin' Sunday, but I knew I wasn't going to last long with how I'm feeling. I hope you all enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell if you are new here. And don't forget to check out my Paper Pumpkin Stampin' Sunday video. That is where you can enter to win the paper pumpkin for next month. So you don't want to miss it. It's in my videos, and it was the previous Stampin' Sunday. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and then answer the secret question that is within the video down in the comments, and you can be entered to win the April paper pumpkin. Thanks so much for watching. For now, keep stampin', Stampers. Bye.